Hi everyone, today I'll show you a tutorial on how to make waves pockets for the fish and quiet book page. I showed you one method in my previous video and this will be a little bit different method. So I will need prepared page, fabric for the waves, medium weight fusible interfacing, pattern, pins, fusible web, scissors, threads, and sewing machine. First, pin the pattern onto the fusible interfacing and cut it out. This edge should be straight, so I will use stationary knife to cut this edge. I will need paperback fusible web, like this one, Heat and Bond, or this one, or just take your fusible web and cut strips approximately half of an inch wide. In this case you will need a freezer paper or the non-stick teflon sheet. And I need to fold the seam allowance on the wrong side, so the fabric will overlap the fusible interfacing and I will have straight edge. When it's cooled down, peel off the paper. One side, and here I need to press the seam allowance as well, but to make so, take your pattern, place it on the fabric, align the edge of the pattern with the seam on the detail, like so. Okay, fold and press. You must see the lower fabric, or just take ruler for the ironing, place it under the fabric, fold the fabric and press with your iron. And here I will place the fusible web just to secure the edge. You may skip this step. Turn it out, pull a little bit the fabric, align the edges. This is the front side and this is the back side. Now I'm going to top stitch here along the edge. Now I need to cut straight edge to make an angle 90 degrees. Now I'm going to mark the line 3.5 centimeters from the edge, like so. First this wave and then this wave. To find out this distance, just take your wave and find the minimum distance from the curve to the edge. Here I have 5 centimeters. And I need the upper wave overlaps the lower one on 1.5 centimeters. So 5 minus 1.5 equals 3.5. So this is why 3.5. And now just take your waves and place them on the page. First one and then second one. Now I'm going to stitch along the edge approximately 1 or 1.5 millimeter to the left from the edge. This is the page, as you may see, very neat, without raw edges. This is it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.